Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today it again wonderful topic I am taking up. Today I am taking up Sri Ganesha Mandakranta Stotra, that is Sri Ganesh Stotra composed in Mandakranta Chandas in Sanskrit by myself, my dear friends. Very joyous to share this composition today. So first I am going to recite this stotra, and then I will give you the verbatim meanings, and then in the end we will have a check and verification on the Mandakranta Chandas in my composition, of my composition. And then in the earlier videos I have told you about Mandakranta Chandas. First in my exclusive video I dealt with the Mandakranta Lakshana Sutra and given its verbatim meanings, and also analyzed the sutra, a check and verification of the sutra, and the sutra itself also I have given. And the illustrations from Mandakranta I have given. First is Vishnu Mandakranta, that is Shantakaram, Bhujagashayanam, etc. And then a fantastic stotra from Leelavati, that is Chakra Krauncha Kulita Salile. That is the illustration shloka I have given from Sri Bhaskaracharya's Leelavati. And then third stotra I have given, this is Mauna Vyakhya Prakatita, that is the stotra from Dakshinamurti stotra as an illustration for Mandakranta. I have given that also in my earlier videos. And of course highly popular Meghadutam, all the shlokas, 158 shlokas of the great poet Kalidasa is composed in Mandakranta. So now today I am very happy to have composed this Sri Ganesha Stotra in Mandakranta Chandas, my dear friends. So before my recitations, we will enter into short prayers now. Here I go. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Sam Saraswatyai Namaha, Om Shri Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha, Om Shri Sita Ramabhyam Namaha, Om Matrubhyo Namaha, Om Pitrubhyo Namaha, Om Rushibhyo Namaha, Om Munibhyo Namaha, Om Acharyebhyacha Namo Namaha, Sarvebhyacha Devi Devatabhyacha Namo Namaha. So now we are done with the prayers, my dear friends. Now I will recite my own composition, Sri Ganesha Mandakranta Stotra. That is stotra composed on Lord Sri Ganesha in Mandakranta Chandas in Sanskrit. It is a very lovely composition, it's very melodious. So here I go, my dear friends. First I will recite and then I will tell you the verbatim meanings. Here I go. Bhutakaram Karivaramukham Saukhyalam Shreshtarupam Gauriputram Trigunarahitam Bhavagamyam Suresham Vidyalilam Vinatavaradam Doshamuktam Sugatram Nityam Naumi Pranata Sukhadam Kashtaharam Ganesham. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Very melodious. Mandakranta, the beauty of Mandakranta, it will give wonderful joy, isn't it, my dear friends? We have all enjoyed the elation and the devotional recitation. That is it, my dear friends. So now we will take up line by line and word by word I will deliver you the verbatim meanings. So what is the first part I am saying? Bhutakaram. Bhutakaram. So this is the word we get in even Muthuswami Dikshita's composition. Nijamama Karavidutexudandam Karambujapasha Bijapuram Kalushaviduram Bhutakaram. Isn't it? Haradi Guru Guhatoshita Bambam. That is the word we have extracted from Muthuswami Dikshita's Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje. So that is a wonderful discussion about Ganesha there. Bhutakaram means he is of huge form. He can be of even tiny form. It can be of huge form also, my dear friends. So Bhutakaram here means very huge, magnificent form is having Lord Sri Ganesha. So Bhutakaram Karivara Mukham. Karivara means, Kari means elephant in Sanskrit. So Vara means the best among the elephants. Karivara Mukham. See, he is elephant faced, very handsome he is. Lord Sri Ganesha is described in the Shastras and Puranas as very handsome. So Karivara Mukham, he is elephant faced. And then Saukhyadam, he bestows us happiness. Saukhyadam, he bestows us happiness. And then Shreshtarupam, he is having the best form, best and magnificent form he is having. Shreshtarupam, very handsome, according to the descriptions in a lot of poetry, in Puranas, etc. So Lord Shri Ganesha is very handsome. So come again on the first line. Bhutakaram Karivaramukham Saukhyadam Shrestha Rupam. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So we'll move on to second padam now. What I am saying is Gauri Putram Trigunarahitam Bhavagamyam Suresham. Gauri Putra means he is the son of Devi Gauri. Very simple, fantastic composition there. Gauri Putram Trigunarahitam. So Trigunarahitam means he is beyond all the three gunas. Three gunas, what are the three gunas in the nature? Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Those who do not know about gunas, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas can refer my earlier videos about these three gunas, and then there is the description, lot of description given in Bhagavad Gita also. There is this Gunatraya Vibhaga Yoga and Shraddhatraya Vibhaga Yoga in Bhagavad Gita. You can learn a lot about these three gunas there. So Lord Shri Ganesha is declared as one who is beyond all the three gunas that exist in the nature. So that is the description, my dear friends, I have given. Gauri Putram Trigunarahitam Bhavagamyam Suresham. Bhavagamya means he is accessible by those devotees whose feelings are very pure and honest. Bhavagamyam. He is accessible for them whose feelings are very pure and honest. Bhavagamyam Suresham. He is the head of all the Devi Devatas. Suresham. Okay, fine. So second padam, come again, my dear friends. Gauri Putram Trigunarahitam Bhavagamyam Suresham. Fantastic, isn't it? So now we will move on to third padam. My composition, what I am saying is Vidyalilam Vinatavaradam Dosha Muktam Sugatram. Vidyalilam means he knows lot of branches of learning. He has covered all the branches of learning. Leela, Leela means it is just a sport for him. All the branches of learning he knows. He is highly knowledgeable, Lord Shri Ganesha. All the branches of knowledge is just like a mere sport for him. Vidya Leelam. So this is the description given in the Shastras. Even in Kannada, we have this saying that is Rashi Vidyaya Balla. So that is the saying in one of the poetry in Kannada. So that is the concept we have taken here. Vidya Lena means he is the master of all the branches of knowledge, and it is just like a mere sport for him about all the learnings. Okay, Vidya Leelam Vinata Varadam. Vinata means Visheshena Nataha Vinataha Tesham Varadaha Tamadikritya. Vinata Varadam. Vinata means those who prostrate before him, for especially prostrate before him. Varadam, he bestows vara or boons. That's the meaning, my dear friends. Vinada Varadam. So those who prostrate before him, for such devotees, he will bestow boons. Vinata Varadam. Dosha Muktam, he free from all imperfections, because he is the Lord Almighty, is always perfect. Free from all imperfections, free from all blemishes. Dosha Muktam Sugatram. Sugatram means he is very, very handsome. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So come again on my composition, third line. Third padam is Vidya Leelam Vinatavaradam Dosha Muktam Sugatram. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now we are moving on to the fourth padam of my composition, that is Nityam Naumi Pranata Sukhadam Kashtaharam Ganesham. Nityam Naumi means, Nityam means every day. Naumi is equivalent word, a synonym word of Namami. Naumi is the short form of Namami in Sanskrit. So it means I prostrate. I offer my pranams to Lord Shri Ganesha. Nityam, every day. Pranata Sukhadam. Pranata means for those who prostrate before him. Sukhadam, he bestows happiness. Fantastic, isn't it? So to such a Lord Ganesha, and Kashtaharam, he who removes all our difficulties, Ganesham, Tam Namami. So Nityam Naumi Pranata Sukhadam Kashtaharam Ganesham. So that is the fourth padam, my dear friends. Fantastic composition it is. So now we will enter into the Czech and Mandakranta Chandas. So it is like this. First we will take again the first padam. What I have told is Bhutakaram Karivaramukam Saukyadam Shreshtarupam. So Mandakranta, to check we have to know the Lakshana Sutra and apply it. What is the Lakshana Sutra saying? Mandakranta Jaladhishadaghair Mabhanau Taugayukmam. Mandakranta Jaladhishadaghair, that is at the end of fourth and then sixth, fourth and the 10th letter there is a pause. Okay, Mandakranta Jaladhishadaghair Mabhanau Taugayukmam. Beautiful pauses at the end of fourth letter and the 10th letter. 4 plus 6 will become 10. So that is the Lakshana Sutra, and then the structure is Mabhanau Taugayukmam, MBN T1 T2 and double guru. That is the structure of Mandakranta, my dear friends. Those who are not getting me, refer my earlier video on Mandakranta Lakshana Chandas. And also still those who are not getting me, please call me on 8762331815. I am taking special coaching classes and wonderful amazing Sanskrit devotion stotras and Sanskrit poetic meter, that is Chandas, and Kannada classical music, etc. So my dear friends, we are back again now. Bhutakaram, Bhutaka is 111, that is giving us Ma, that is M. Then Ramkari is giving us Bhutakaram Karivaramukham. My composition, first padam I am saying Bhutakaram, Bhutaka yields as Ma, that is 111. And then Ramkari is yielding as Bha, that is B. MB we got, perfectly satisfied the conditions. Then moving on, Bhutakaram Karivaramukhadam, Karivaramukham Bhutakaram. Ramkari we got Bha, and then Varamu we are getting N, that is 000. Varamu is N, and then Kham Saukhya we are getting ST1 there, 110, and then Damshreshta we are getting as T2, and then Rupam, that is the double guru. Okay, my dear friends, so MBN T1 T2 double guru, exactly we got it. Likewise, you can check on the other lines of my composition. All the 4 lines are composed in Mandakranta. Beautiful, very, very joyous, isn't it, my dear friends? You can do it leisurely. Now I will recite this wonderful stotra, Shri Ganesha Mandakranta stotra, composed by myself once again, and wrap up this video. Here I go, my dear friends. Bhutakaram Karivaramukham Saukyadam Shreshtarupam, Gauri Putram Trigunarahitam Bhavagamyam Suresham, Vidyalilam Vinatavaradam Dosha Muktam Sugatram, Nityam Naumi Pranata Sukhadam Kashtaharam Ganesham. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So you might have observed there is a pause, a short lovely pause at the end of the 4th letter, like this. Bhutakaram Karivaramukham Saukyadam Shreshtarupam. So at the end of the 4th letter we got a short lovely pause, and at the end of the 10th letter also we have got a short lovely pause. That is the Mandakranta melody, my dear friends. Fantastic. So please do call me on 8762331815 and join my classes on wonderful and amazing Sanskrit devotion stotras. It's a fascinating lifelong journey, my dear friends. So now I'll wrap up this video. All those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services by nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. So thank you, my dear friends. Hari Om Sutti, Jai Shri Ram, Namaste. We'll shortly meet in my upcoming video. Until then, bye. Jai Shri Ram, Namaste. So as to be Jayanagar Bangalore.